Oh, bless him. He's going to hate me.
It's flicking into second. I think I'm more nervous now with somebody than I was on my own. They stand up. Get out of that rut. Got to try and relax. I'm not relaxing. First thing is what I noticed a bit more stability. I noticed a bit more stability. Maybe it's
Tyre pressures?
possibly.
Yeah.
But I am sort of standing up. It's alien,
Yeah.
and I'm stiff.
Yeah.
I need to relax more.
It's hard. It'll take a while to do it. Shoulders are the most important thing for me. If you loosen your shoulders, everything else seems to come with it. So just relax, because you're going to hold a lot of tension there. The looser you are, the more the bike is allowed to do what it wants to do.
Yeah.
Whereas if you're stiff, you're kind of fighting the bike a little bit. It's the way I find it anyway.
Yeah.
How are you gripping the bike? Here or with your legs?
Standing up, I've got my sort of knees into here.
Okay.
But I am holding quite tight on the bars.
Okay. Looser grip, nice and relaxed. If you're gripping too hard, again, that's just that stiffness sort of thing. Relax your arms, relax your hands. When I'm standing up, I'm kind of gripping as low down as possible.
Okay.
So it's almost here and here.
Yeah.
As opposed to my knees.
Okay.
Again, that's just how I do things. Try it, see what you think.
Yeah. Okay, grip more with your ankles. Look where you're going, not at the rut. Yeah, gripping with your ankles feels a little bit better. You're not too tight with your knees on the tank. Oh. Slap in the face. This is a bit drier than last week. Yeah, that was definitely better than last week. And it's a bit drier than last week as well.
Yeah. Your tyres will be a lot better for today. A lot better.
They feel a lot better. Last week it was like I was on slicks. But like I said, it was a lot wetter.
Yeah.
Reputation of these tyres, and I was running road pressures. So obviously that's gonna make a big difference, isn't it?
Well, this will be good. Don't let so when it does get slippy, be aware, just keep it as upright as you can, because that's where it will catch you out.
Yeah. Taking off those grips off the pegs as well made a difference. I'm not sort of like slipping all over the place. Look ahead, not down in the rut. Right, okay.
Are you interested for it? He's not cut out for this, is he? That was a bit different.
It was. I stored it a few times.
Yeah, yeah.
Cut the bars on the trees a little bit.
Okay, cool.
But
yeah, I mean, you've got to kind of thread it through.
Yeah.
But yeah, you'll learn a lot there, technical stuff. When you do that a bit more, you can then stand up and go through there, standing up, really kind of on the biting point.
Yeah.
With your clutch, but
yeah, pretty much that was. I'd like my feet were down pretty much all the way. The resonance on that bash plate is ridiculous. I keep looking to look in the mirror. Or through the gate.
go.
Look ahead, look ahead.
Oh, I need to watch this. No way. No. He's gonna do it. He's done it. He's done it. He's done it. Good luck. Oh, Robbie. I'll get that. Just sit there. I'll get it.
Definitely unfit. Try not to grab a handful of front brake.
This is nice and easy.
Okay. I like the way it says nice and easy. Look ahead, squeeze your ankles. Yeah, we're going left.
That was epic. We were just... You good?
Yeah.
Good.
HS2 stuff. Nice horse shit as well. What a show off.
hell, I'm not just on the road.
My boot caught on the pad.
The most important thing with this is stay hydrated, so just keep drinking as best you can, man. Especially when it's quite warm like this.
Yeah. Well.
Having fun?
Yeah.
I think he's a bit tired, ladies and gents.
I am. I did two sessions of that last week.
Yeah.
And like, it was like, that's enough. I've had enough. I know it does take it out of you.
People don't understand how physically demanding this is.
Yeah.
Because it's not just riding a bike, you are manhandling the bike the whole time. Always correcting it. It's a hell of a workout, which is why all the MX riders are so well built.
It's not a bad shout about the bar risers. Obviously when you're riding sitting down and like on the road, the bars are a decent place on the ship. But yeah, I suppose if the bars were a little bit higher, because I am leaning forward a little bit. Back off a little bit, get some room. Oh shit, I ate a fucking fly. Oh. Just a little shove if you can, mate.
Which way? Coming this way, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. You get yourself sorted.
I just caught the back of that tree.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
With this?
No, sort of I think I took it a bit too close.
Yeah.
Caught it, stalled it, and then the tree actually stopped me falling.
Okay. Listen, that's why I keep kind of stopping and checking to make sure you're okay.
Yeah.
You've got to thread your way through, but you have got to take it wider. Okay, cool. You're okay. Go on then.
I do feel, oh fuck, bars do feel wide. Okay.
I can hear him. so glad I got that camera.
Apologies for my breathing. Oh, this is beating me.
Oh, Robbie, I'm so sorry. A little bit more.
This is beating me.
That was tough. But you're here.
Oh, yeah. You have nothing to apologise for.
Well, I do.
This is...
We could have just gone straight, you know.
We could have, but it's... I'm totally out of my comfort zone.
Yep.
And in a weird way, I'm happy with that.
Okay.
Because I'm doing something I wouldn't normally do. It's different.
You don't feel like you're dangerously outside your comfort zone.
No, if I felt that, I'd just say, no, mate, I need to go back over there.
Okay, good, good.